In Nigeria, there's one vehicle that strikes instant anxiety into the hearts of everyday citizens. It's not a luxury sports car, and it's not even an armored military tank. It's an ordinary Japanese pickup truck, the Toyota Hilux. To the average observer, it's just a rugged work truck, but to over 200 million Nigerians, the silhouette of a Hilux approaching in the rear view mirror means only one thing: the police are here. But why did the Nigerian police force make this specific pickup truck their ultimate weapon of choice? The reason goes far deeper than just automotive reliability. It's a calculated choice driven by tactical survival, psychological warfare, and a broken infrastructure. Today, we unmask the dark reality behind why the Nigerian police absolutely love the Toyota Hilux. But before we go further in this video, if it's your first time on my YouTube channel, consider clicking that red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you do not miss out on future videos on this YouTube channel. The infrastructure war is one of the things we should observe before going deeper in this topic. To understand the dominance of the Toyota Hilux, you first have to understand the battleground it operates in. Nigeria's road infrastructure is notoriously unforgiving. From the gridlocked, pothole-ridden streets of Lagos to the unpaved, muddy terrains of the Niger Delta and the vast sandy expanses of the North, standard police cruisers simply cannot survive. If the police use standard sedans, high-speed chases would end abruptly at the first major crater on the road. Enter the Hilux, with its exceptionally high ground clearance, independent front suspension, and legendary four-wheel drive system. This trunk turns Nigeria's broken infrastructure into a tactical advantage. During the annual rainy season, entire streets turn into rivers, while local getaway cars stall out and drown. The Hilux elevated air intake keeps its engine breathing. In the game of the criminal pursuits, the infrastructure acts as a barrier to some, but for the police in the Hilux, it's just another Tuesday chasing thieves and criminals. The psychology of the open bed is another thing that is exploited with the Toyota Hilux. In Western countries, police transport suspect inside enclosed secure cruisers. But in Nigeria, policing relies heavily on an entirely different tactic: psychological intimidation. And nothing achieves this quiet like the open cargo bed of the Hilux. The open back serves three dark, highly strategic purposes. First, it offers unobstructed firepower. Officers sitting at the back have a 360-degree panoramic view of the field of fire. They can shoot in any direction instantly without wasting time rolling down doors or opening windows. Second, it maximizes manpower capacity. A standard patrol car holds 4 officers. A modified Hilux cargo bed can comfortably carry up to 8 fully armed, combat-ready tactical officers, ready to deploy in a fraction of a second. But the third reason is the most sinister: public theater. The open bed acts as a mobile cage. When suspects are arrested, they are often thrown into the open back, exposed to the public eye. It sends a loud, clear visual message to anyone watching on the street: look what we can do to you. It is raw, unfiltered authority on wheels. Another part is the indestructible logistics. Beyond the psychological warfare, there is a brutal logistical reality. The Nigerian police force operates often on tight, strained budgets. They cannot afford vehicles that require specialized software, imported diagnostic computers, or fragile electronic systems. They need a vehicle that refuses to die. The Toyota Hilux is mechanically simple and legendary for its durability. In Nigeria, it's an unspoken rule. Every single roadside mechanic, from the smallest rural village to the largest hub in Lagos, knows exactly how to fix a Toyota engine. Furthermore, spare parts for the Hilux are incredibly cheap and widely available across every major market and little market in the country. But there's even a bigger hidden factor: fuel quality. Lower tier or contaminated fuel can quickly destroy modern highly sensitive engines. The rugged fuel injection system of older and local Hilux variants can burn lower quality fuel without missing a beat, ensuring the patrol never stops. It is also a tool of weaponization and modification. As conflict dynamics evolved in Nigeria, particularly with the rise of asymmetric threats, the police needed more than just a transport vehicle. They needed a combat platform. The Hilux adapted seamlessly. An artistic diagram, the heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced chassis of the Hilux allow it to carry massive amount of weight without compromising its speed. This made it incredibly easy for police workshops to weld heavy custom armor plating over the cabin doors to protect officers from gunfire. Even more crucial, the flatbed can easily be fitted with mounts for heavy caliber machine guns, transforming a basic civilian utility truck into an aggressive technical combat vehicle capable of taking on heavily armed criminal groups. The Toyota Hilux wasn't designed to be an instrument of fear. It was built to carry cargo across farms and construction sites. But on the intense, unpredictable roads of Nigeria, it found a completely different destiny. It became the ultimate machine of control, a perfect blend of unstoppable mechanics, tactical brutality, and logistical survival. Next time you see those iconic headlights approaching through the dust, remember, you are not just looking at a truck, you are looking at the dark reality of survival on Nigeria roads. If you found this video helpful, kindly click subscribe and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this YouTube channel. Because on this channel, we talk about the automotive future of Africa and who is powering it, and the reason why your favorite cars are on the street. Share the video with your friends who are willing to learn more on these same topics, and I'll see you in my next one.